Breaking news. ChatGPT has recently launched its own image generation model, which is attached to ChatGPT. If you're a ChatGPT user, you can now generate good looking images using ChatGPT easily and instantly. This is something that I have generated. Imagine like a Labrador dog in a traditional outfit. See how quality it is. Like it's not just like a normal image. Earlier, ChatGPT used it to have the support of DALI for image generation, and those images generated using DALI doesn't really look good. But now it is so cool. Now I will try a few other things as well. Let me upload one of my image. See, I have uploaded one of my image and I'll ask ChatGPT to make this Ghibli anime style. Like this is something which is trending on the internet, so everyone uploading their images and they are converting them to Ghibli anime style. I will show you how it actually looks like. See, I have uploaded one of my image where I'm playing in a ground, and I have asked ChatGPT to convert this into Ghibli anime style. Let's see how ChatGPT will give me the response. It will take some time, but the output is something that's going to fascinate us. One good thing that OpenAI has improved recently is the image generation quality. So as I said earlier when we use it to ask maybe image generation types, like we use it to get some naive level images, like your basic level images, but now it's on in another level. It has perfected the art of image generation, which is something which ChatGPT lacks till now, because ChatGPT is good for all other things. Like we can generate text, we can do research, we can generate documents, we can even document things there, we can do data analysis and everything. But the only thing which ChatGPT lacked till now is image generation, and it has perfected now. I have trees in my background and ground, and I'm wearing a headband, and this is now done. See, look how close these two images were. You can have like something like this easily using ChatGPT. Yeah, this is a final image. You can download the images generated using ChatGPT as well. Look how close these images were. Like, let me try with another image. An image of mine where I'm batting. I'll ask the same thing. Make this deeply anime style. I'm asking the same prompt again. So I have uploaded an image of mine in a cricket field, like not just me. It has some other people in the image as well. So let's see how it will give me an image. One thing that you can see here, these are near to perfect images. If you want to create such images using other tools like Photoshop or even manually, it's it will take a lot of time and it will take a lot of computing power and effort, and you need to spend a lot. But ChatGPT is giving these images instantly with high detailed quality. So which is something that fascinates me. Like you can't get anywhere, like these kind of images you can't get anywhere. See, it's coming. It's let's see how close it will look like. Oh, it's close, right? You can literally create an anime film or anime based maybe videos easily using this feature, because there are tools like Runway ML and Sora where you can animate these images as well. It's going to be easy from now. You might see anime videos and anime based movies from now in YouTube or other platforms easily. That is how ChatGPT has transformed the image generation. See how close it is. It's like looking exactly like how it was in the image. Try your luck with ChatGPT new image generation feature and let me know how you feel about it.